How to use Cash App on Amazon. Hi everybody, in this video I'll guide you on how can you use Cash App on Amazon. Now you cannot directly use Cash App to make purchase on Amazon, while you can use Cash App card on Amazon. So what you have to do is, for that you need to make sure that you already have a Cash App card, and you just need to go ahead and basically open up your Amazon account. And once you open it up, then navigate to the payment section. For that, you want to go ahead and click on new section right over here, go to accounts and click on your add a payment method. So when you go to this add a payment section, so here you have Amazon Pay and all that, right? So you could go to the Amazon payment and simply or manually enter in the Amazon manage payment option. Go to this section, then click on manage payment, and once you actually do it, so then you would go ahead and add a payment details as a Cash App. So for that you have to enter the 16-digit number, CVV, and the expiry date, after which you can use your Cash App card to make purchase on Amazon, and that way you'll be able to use Cash App. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.